Let's add our meat. I'm using lean ground pork. So let's add garlic powder. And then add your pepper. Would want to add a little bit of paprika powder. Just a pinch to color in your meat. Let's add a dash of cayenne pepper powder. And then you can add just one small bell pepper. Again, for color. And of course, it's best to keep your meat dry. So when you use it on your tacos or your nachos, they won't get soggy because of the oil. We're going to have soft tacos today, so we're just going to dry heat the tortilla. Dry heat meaning you don't put oil or margarine or butter on your pan. Let's start assembling our soft taco. So here's your pita bread. Wow, in it.
Nope, just right.
I like putting some greens.
Greens at the bottom.
And then you put a little bit of meat. Some homemade tomato salsa. That's just tomatoes and onions. Okay, as weird as it may be for some, I like putting a little bit of mayonnaise on my tacos. And just sprinkle some cheese on top. Okay. Fold your taco.
And eat.
And you can eat.
I love soft tacos.
It's so good.